This is my content calendar proposal by Leslie Cantorna. The purpose. Before we can create sales cycles, funnels, and other fancy bits, we have to decide who we want to send all that content to. The purpose of having a content calendar proposal is like a visual blueprint. This will allow you to distribute your content daily in a more timely, consistent, and efficient manner. And it also gives you more flexibility if you need to make changes to the content schedule. Engagement is crucial because it creates awareness and encourages your audience to engage in your content. The business objectives will all the content creator to map out the content that will prevent any confusion or lack of focus. This will allow more consistency and creativity to happen. Other business objectives would consider the target market, who are we marketing to, or know what the trends are that's happening within the market, what our competitors are doing, and if there are any upcoming announcements that we need to factor in. So people love images, they love videos and other links outside resources. So this is what builds trust. If we see the value of the content that will provide takeaways from it, people will want to keep coming back. So including these needs in your content calendar will save you lots of time and will enforce a purpose to your content marketing. Partnering up with content technologies will provide more successful content that will add value. It will fill in any gaps that may be lacking from your creation. It is actually quite difficult to come up with the different content on a daily without having to sound the same on every content. So content technology partners will take your ideas and deliver the content in a more optimal, non-biased view. So partners such as Adobe, IBM, and Market have been known to be highly utilized by big companies. So depending on the type of content needed, the price will vary. Website content writing is the web design of the companies that will design and develop your websites. Blogging cost depends on the amount of wording that is created. So for example, a 2,000 word blog, most companies will charge about $150. Other companies will charge about $14.50 for a 3,000 word piece. Social media marketing could be anywhere from $1,000 to $20,000 a month, depending on how large the content may be. Press release is somewhere between $500 and $2,500 for an effective agency to promote it. And updating content is the same as website content writing. So this would conclude the presentation on the content calendar proposal. Thanks for listening.